Good morning. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 8th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, try to search your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. First thing to mention here is, obviously, we had a pretty weak day yesterday. As far as I'm concerned, there's a big inflection point where we could go significantly up or significantly down on equities here. And as far as I'm concerned, we're in the same inflection point here on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's gone back below the daily middle band. Nothing. We're still in an RSI 14 sell signal that may target directly, or we could see some retest the high and then make the target. But chances are, one way or another, it's going to make that target. In the short term, though, what I would note is we've broken up from the double bottom here. We've got a target back up at a retest the highs. We've seen a sharp pullback, but it's only a sharp pullback so far. This is an RSI 14 buy signal that's fixed. This is an RSI 5 buy signal that's fixed. That's pretty promising for today. And I have to say, I'm seeing similar things on ES and NQ this morning. So I'm quite liking the upside here. We've actually got a weakish hourly RSI 14 buy signal fixed too. Sorry, that's on the 15-minute chart. I'm liking it. Here on the Solana chart, we've actually got an RSI 5 sell signal, which had fixed yesterday morning and just played out. We had a little double top. That's played out too, and we're testing the daily middle band as support. On the hourly chart, we've got an RSI 5 buy signal fixed, but not an RSI 14. Could this be a flag that's breaking down? Yes. Could this just be a rally and then we play out the flag and go back to the lows? Yes, it could. We'll have to see how that goes. On the 15-minute chart, you can see the little double top. That's a long since made target. And we've got an RSI 14 15-minute buy signal fixed. On the daily chart on Ethereum, we've also still got a daily RSI 14 sell signal fixed. And we've also, like Bitcoin, gone back below the daily middle band. This could well be the prelude to going down. And here we've got a double top which is already broken down with a target a bit lower down in the 2900 area. We could be going A, B, C down to that target. So I am very much wondering about that. But what I would note is we've again got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed, and we've got an RSI 5 buy signal fixed, just like Bitcoin. On 15-minute, we've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed. This actually looks pretty good for a rally today. I'm thinking crypto up, ES up, NQ up. We see a decent rally day today. It doesn't necessarily mean anything bigger picture, but that improves the chances a bit that we will actually play out the bull scenario. We'll have to see how it goes. But I think this is a big inflection point. It's going to break one way or the other. I'd probably prefer if it went down, because after that, I'd be leaning towards seeing high retests. And we would see how it goes. On the longer term, just in reference to, if you watched my webinar this morning on equities, what I would say is I'm expecting to see higher here. This shouldn't really be the high here for the bull market. I'm expecting to see it take longer and go higher. And while that happens, we're likely to see at least some strength in equities, because the correlation, you can see I've tracked this against NQ there, and the correlation isn't perfect, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. And Bitcoin can go up an awful lot while equities is just going up a little, but nonetheless, it does tend to go up. And there is a lot of correlation between the consolidation periods here and the up periods. I'm leaning towards seeing more highs on SPX, and as far as I'm concerned, this is pretty well supported from what I'm expecting to see on crypto. So we shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.